Fitness and exercise. There is no doubt fitness and exercise are important. They improve health and well-being, and fitness and exercise can speed weight loss. But don't be fooled into the usual fitness and exercise cycle. There is a better way. Fitness and exercise can be fun. We show you how. One easy ways to exercise. 2 the best value exercise equipment. 3 easy ways to fitness. 4 saving money on fitness equipment. 1 easy ways to exercise. Exercise should not be a dirty word. It can actually be something that adds to your life and makes you mentally and physically get more out of life. Your approach to exercise is the key to gaining the most from an exercise routine. For many people, an exercise routine lasts only a week. It takes the smallest excuse and the exercise program gets put on hold. If you are meant to jog or go for a walk, the weather will be a problem, too hot or too cold. Maybe you can't find time for the gym today, but you promise you will get some exercise tomorrow. Tomorrow comes and goes, and the exercise routine goes out the window. To combat these problems, you need a special approach to exercise. If you are not motivated to exercise or properly prepared, then you will run into problems. Gaining motivation and clarity of your goals is best done by following the program. The program prepares you for exercise so that you both enjoy it and continue with the exercise program. You can be prepared for what type of exercise is suitable for you and how to approach it for success. 2 best value exercise equipment. From the many types of exercise equipment available, I'm sure we all have our fair share hidden in the garage. Whether it is the latest ab sliding swing or a whole gym that can fold under your bed, it is easy to think a piece of exercise equipment can get you in shape. What many people don't realize is they could save a great deal of money on exercise equipment if they got it right from the start. The number one reason for unused exercise equipment is lack of motivation. It seems our motivation levels peak at the time of your exercise equipment purchase and drops rapidly from there. One of the best solutions to this problem is to follow some key psychological strategies to increase and maintain motivation levels. One program that incorporates all these strategies is the program. The combination of psychology and motivation will not only get you more use of your exercise equipment, but it could quite likely change your life. The program will also guide you on foods to increase energy and keep you vital. So before your next exercise equipment purchase, check your motivation levels. By making sure you are going to get good use of your exercise equipment, you will be getting the most from your dollar and your health. 3 easy ways to fitness. Fitness is one of the most overlooked areas of our modern-day life, yet fitness is also one of the most crucial areas to our quality of life. Yet it seems, no matter how much we are told about it, we still don't get fitness. Fitness is as important as not smoking, or eating oily fish twice a week. Fitness is important is essential for being in great health. Fitness doesn't have to be a gym workout or a jog around your local stadium. In fact, fitness can be classified as any time you are moving around. So you can begin to see, it isn't that hard to incorporate fitness into your life. The first key to fitness is you have to enjoy it. This is crucial. Most people find it very hard to enjoy fitness with fitness begins with this. Instead, suggests getting the most from fitness, you should find a way to make it fun. So if you live near a beach, try waking along with that for general fitness. If your kids love to play football at the park, join in. Call up a friend who plays tennis, and ask them if you could come along and have a hit. Anytime you can see a way to get a bit more fitness, take the opportunity. It all helps. All of these forms of fitness will contribute greatly to your health, and you will end up find yourself having a great time. 4. Saving money on fitness equipment. There are many types of fitness equipment available, and I'm sure, like most people, you have your fair share hidden in the garage. Whether it is the latest ab machine or a complete gym that can fold under your bed, it is easy to think just by buying a piece of fitness equipment you can get in shape. Many people don't realize they could save a great deal of money on fitness equipment if they get a few things right before even starting their fitness routine. The number one reason for unused fitness equipment is lack of motivation. It seems our motivation levels peak at the time of your fitness equipment purchase and drops rapidly from there. One of the best solutions to this problem is to follow some key psychological strategies to increase and maintain motivation levels. One program that incorporates all these strategies is the program. The combination of psychology and motivation will not only get you more use of your fitness equipment, but it could quite likely change your life. The program also guides you on what foods to eat to increase your energy and keep you vital. So before your next fitness equipment purchase, you best check your motivation levels. By making sure you are going to get good use of your fitness equipment, you will be getting the most from your money and your health. For more information, we recommend to check out the link below. Receive the 4 cheat sheet PDF into your email and get access to a video that explains how to live a healthy way. Click the link below to get access.